Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a quick video, okay? I'm just too excited, okay? I just want to give you a quick update to the channel and an upcoming video we got going, but I couldn't hold it back no more. But we have added another horse to the stable here at the Natural Gearhead Garage, and I am super excited about this thing. I've been wanting another square body. We finally got one. This thing is super cool, so I'm going to give you a quick walk around of the truck, kind of give you an idea of what's going on with it, and you're going to be seeing a lot of this guy on this channel, so stay tuned. Let's do this walk around real quick and check it out.
All right, guys, so the first thing I want to do is get this thing all cleaned up because it is disgusting from sitting from over a year. It had green mold all over it, so we're getting that all knocked off. But this is my newly acquired 1981 Chevy C10 standard cab, short bed Silverado. I really like the look. I like that it's lowered. I like the patina style. I like what they did with the racing stripes, kind of unique, giving it that twist of an American flag on it. It's got some Dragstar wheels. They may be knockoffs, but they look good. It's got a leaking rear brake line. It's got some sticking front brakes. It's not running on all cylinders, but we'll get that all squared away. It is LS swapped with a turbo 350. The body itself is in pretty good shape, except for it does have some problem areas. If you look at the rocker here, it's rotted out. The cab corner, bedside behind the tire. Tailgate is in great shape. The bumper's awesome. I really like what they did with it. This other bedside rotted behind the tire and above the tire. The bed floor's in good shape, just some pinholes here and there. The wheel wells are in good shape, but we found this piece of metal that seems to fit right here. It's perfect. But the look is good, and I really like the theme of it. And the grill's pretty nice too, but the interior says America on the dash, which is really cool, and just the white interior goes with the whole American flag look, even though white's not my favorite, but it's got power windows, power locks, Equius gauges, an American flag headliner, sliding back window, a tilt column, and it's pretty tidy once we cleaned it all up. Now, under the hood, this was supposed to be a 6-liter with a 4L60. Turns out it's a 5.3 with a turbo 350, which I'm still fine with. It's a factory AC cab truck, which is awesome. We'll get that hooked up at one point or another. It's got a knockoff cold air intake with a Spectra air cleaner on it. It's got power brakes, power steering. It's got a Dixie horn already installed in it, which is kind of cool since I grew up watching the Dukes of Hazzard. But we need to get it running on all cylinders again. It just has really no power. It fires right up, starts up, no problem, but just has no power. Barely got on the trailer, so I just can't wait to get this thing dialed in. The firewall's in great shape, which is a big plus, so we'll get this baby dialed in and ready for the road in no time.
All right, guys, so like I said, I cannot wait to get this thing running and driving good because we want to put some major miles on this thing. We want to do things like Sick Week, Hot Rod Power Tour. I don't even know. There's so much stuff going on in my head because I'm so excited about having another square body in a Natural Gearhead Garage again. It's been way too long since we had a square body here, and I am super stoked to have this one and be able to work on it and bring you some content on some of the body work we're going to do, matching the patina, just getting it running good, driving good. Obviously, it's not running on all the cylinders right now. We got to get that dialed in first. Then we're going to go fix some brake lines because we got to be able to stop the thing. So a lot of content coming. So if you like square bodies, you like C10s, hey, like, subscribe, share, all those things if you want to. That'd be great because we're going to be doing quite a bit of content on this, and this truck is going to be awesome. You might even see us out at one of those events once we get it all dialed in because we're going to be putting some miles on this thing. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.